This is my 1952 Singer Model 1591, and I'm setting this up on the table right now, but I'm going to be moving some cabinets and treadles around, and I'm going to be using this machine for some of the heavier knits that I've been working with. Now I'm posting this video. This is a machine that my father gave me about 5 or 6 years ago, and specifically I wanted it to sew heavy knits with. Now, right now it runs fine. It's from 1952. It has the original motor on it, which is right here, and this is a direct drive motor. And I'm posting the video because right now, as I said, it runs fine, the wires are good. But if I use this as my main machine, one thing I'm going to have to be aware of is either replacing the motor at some point in the future or rebuilding it. So if anyone has any comments on how they rebuilt or replaced a Singer 1591's potted motor, I'd appreciate the comments. I do know there are directions online for doing it, but I've kind of ran into a mental block with that. I don't know if they were just confusing the way they were laid out. So the machine runs fine now, but because I'm thinking of the future, any comments are appreciated.